Adarsh Vidyalaya Max online class. I will see the chapter number 6, trigonometry ratio for complementary angles. Okay, see the formulas first. First one, sin 90 degree minus theta, that equal to cos theta. Next, cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta equal to cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta, that equal to tan theta. Next, secant 90 degree minus theta, that equal to cosecant theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. The sine opposite is cosine, tan opposite is cotangent, secant opposite is cosecant. Okay, that is formula. Example 6.9, express first one, sin 74 degree in terms of cosine. Okay, so that is first. Second one, tan 12 degree in terms of cotangent. Third one, cosecant 39 degree in terms of secant. Okay, solution. See the right first question, sin 74 degree, that equal to sin 90 minus dash, that equal to 74 degree. Therefore we write 19 minus 16, that equal to 74 degree. Therefore we write sin 90 minus 16, that equal to 74 degree. Okay, sin 74 degree we will write sin 90 minus 16 degree. Okay. What is the formula of sin 90 minus theta? Yes, that is cos theta. What is theta value is 90 minus 16 is yes theta. Okay, therefore cos 16 degree. Sin 90 minus theta equal to cos 16 degree. Therefore sin 74 degree equal to cos 16 degree. That is your answer. Second one, tan 12 degree, that equal to, I will write tan minus 78, that equal to 12 degree. Therefore tan 90 minus 78 degree, that equal to tan 12 degree. We will write tan 12, that equal to tan 90 minus 78. What is the formula of tan 90 minus theta? Yes, that is cot theta. Okay, what is theta value is? Yes, 78. Therefore tan 90 minus theta, that equal to cot theta value is 78 degree. Tan 12 degree, that equal to cot 70 degree. Third one, cosecant 39 degree, that equal to 90 minus 51, that equal to 39. Therefore we write cosecant 39, that equal to 90 minus 51. Okay, cosecant 90 minus 51, that equal to cosecant 39. Right, what is the formula of cosecant 90 minus theta? Yes, 90 minus theta, that equal to theta value is 51 degree, that is formula is secant theta. Okay, therefore secant theta value is 51 degree. Therefore cosecant 39 degree, answer is secant 51 degree. Can you understand? Okay, next example 6.8, evaluate first one, sin 49 degree divided by cos 41 degree. Second one, secant 63 degree divided by cosecant 27 degree. Okay, first solution, first question given value is sin 49 degree divided by cos 41 degree. Okay, first we change the numerator or denominator value, any one value. Okay, first we change numerator value. Sin 49 degree, we will write 90 minus theta, that equal to 49. What is theta value? Yes, that is 90 minus 41, that equal to 90 minus 41, that equal to 49. Okay, therefore we will write sin 49 value is sin 90 minus 90 degree minus 41. Okay, divided by cos 41 degree. Okay, what is the formula of sin 90 minus theta? Yes, so sin 90 minus theta formula is, that is cos theta. Okay, 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Our theta value is 41 degree. Therefore sin 90 minus 41 that equal to cos 41 degree divided by cos 41 degree that equal to, since sin 90 minus theta that equal to cos theta. Okay, cos theta is cancelled. That is answer is remaining 1. That is the answer. Okay, can you understand? Next, second question, secant given value is secant 63 degree divided by cosecant 27 degree. Okay, again we will change any one, numerator or denominator. Take numerator value is secant 63, we will write 90 minus theta. What is theta value is 27. Okay, so 90 minus 27, that is answer is 63. Therefore secant 90 degree minus 27 degree divided by, that is 63. Okay, divided by cosecant 27 degree. What is the formula of secant 90 minus theta? See the formula? Yes, secant 90 minus theta that equal to cosecant theta. Okay, secant 90 minus theta that equal to cosecant theta. Therefore theta value, since secant 90 minus theta that equal to, what is formula? Cosecant theta. Okay, now theta value is 27. Therefore cosecant 27 degree divided by cosecant 27 degree. So cosecant 27 is cancelled, remaining 1. Okay, can you understand? Example 6.9, find the value of first one, tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 67 degree, tan 83 degree. Okay, solution. What is the given value is first one, tan 7 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 67 and tan 83 degree. Okay, now sum of two angles that equal to 90 degree means first we take tan 7 degree and tan 83 degree. Okay, so therefore we'll write the next one, tan 23 and tan 67 degree, that is sum is 90. Therefore we take tan 7 degree and tan 83 degree. We take first one. Second one, tan 23 degree and tan 67 degree. Okay, last one, remaining answer is tan 60 degree. Okay, that equal to, next we'll change tan 7 or tan 83 degree, any one. That equal to tan 7 degree, tan 83 degree we will write tan 90 minus 7, that equal to 90 minus 7, that means 83 degree. Okay, next tan 23 degree, tan 67 degree, tan 90 minus 23 degree. Therefore that is tan 67 degree. Okay, tan 90 minus 23 degree, that is tan 67 degree. Tan 83 degree we will write tan 90 minus 7 degree. Next last one is tan 60 degree. Okay, therefore tan 7 degree. What is the formula of tan 90 minus theta? Yes, see the formula, tan 90 minus theta that equal to cot theta. Here what is theta value is 7. Therefore cot 7 degree. Next one, tan 23 degree into, what is the formula of, again tan 90 minus theta that equal to same formula, cot theta value is 23 degree. Last one, tan 60 degree. Okay, next that equal to tan 7 degree and cot theta value is, that is reciprocal of tan. Therefore cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan 7 degree. Okay, into tan 23 degree, that is also cot reciprocal is 1 by tan theta. Therefore tan theta value is 23, 1 by tan 23 degree into, what is the formula of tan 60 degree? that is, since tan 60 degree that equal to root 3, okay, that is root 3. I will cancel tan 7 is cancelled, and tan 23 is cancelled, therefore remaining 1 into 1 into root 3 that equal to, what is answer? Yes, that is root 3. Can you understand? Okay, second question, given cos 35 degree divided by sin 55 degree plus sin 12 degree divided by cos 78 degree minus cos 18 degree divided by sin 72 degree. Okay, first we will change any one value, numerator or denominator. Okay, first take numerator value is, will change cos 90 minus theta. What is theta value? That is 35. There 90 degree minus 55 degree that equal to 35 degree. Okay, divided by sin 55 degree plus sin 12 degree. We will write sin 90 minus 78. Okay, 90 minus 78 degree that equal to sin 12 degree. Sin 90 minus 78 that equal to sin 12 degree divided by cos 78 degree. Okay, minus cos 18 degree. We will change cos 90 minus 72 degree, that is 18 degree. Okay, divided by sin 72 degree. Okay, so 90 minus 55 degree that equal to 35, 90 minus 78 degree that equal to 12, 90 minus 72 degree equal to 18. Okay, therefore that equal to cos 90 minus 55 degree sin 90 minus 78 degree cos 90 minus 72 degree. Okay, write the formula of cos 90 minus theta. What is the formula? Cos 90 minus theta that equal to sin theta. Okay, therefore what is theta value is 55 degree. Cos 90 minus theta that equal to sin 55 degree divided by sin 55 degree plus sin 90 minus theta formula is, what is the formula? Yes, that is cos theta. Okay, so sin 90 minus theta that equal to cos theta. What is theta value is 78. Therefore cos 78 degree divided by cos 78 degree minus cos 90 minus theta already will write, therefore sin 72 degree, theta value is 72, sin 72 degree divided by sin 72 degree. Okay, so sin 55 sin 55 is cancelled. Second one cos 78 is cancelled. Third one sin 72 is cancelled. Remaining 1. This value is plus 1 minus 1. Now plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. That equal to answer is 1. Okay, can you understand? Okay. Today homework is exercise 6.3. Find the value of the following. First one cos 47 degree divided by sin 43 degree the whole square plus sin 72 degree divided by cos 18 the whole square minus 2 cos square 45 degree. Okay, second one cos 70 degree divided by sin 20 degree plus cos 59 degree divided by sin 31 degree plus cos theta divided by sin 90 degree minus theta minus 8 cos square theta 60. Okay, third question tan 15 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree and tan 75 degree. So you will see the example sums. This is the related sums of example sums. Okay, so very simple, do best. Fourth one cot theta divided by tan 90 degree minus theta plus cos 90 minus theta to tan theta into secant degree minus theta divided by sin 90 degree minus theta into cot 90 degree minus theta into cosecant 90 degree minus theta. Okay, okay students, thank you. We'll see you next class. Do the homework sums.